Hey guys, Akio here from fbmechanics.com. So I'm inside the Power Editor, and I just found out from a good Facebook marketer through one of the groups I belong in about the new Facebook multi-ad set option. So basically what it allows you to do is incorporate multiple ads inside of, or multiple ad sets inside of one ad. I actually saw it on one of my Facebook page and then saw the post from him. So, and this is the website, if I can find it. It's eMarkey, I believe it's called. It basically allows you to um, set up multiple products inside of one Facebook ad, so it should look something like this. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks inside the Power Editor. Now I haven't added any images yet, but I'm going to show you what you can do. So once you sign into your Power Editor and you download the Power Editor, it will incorporate all your ads that you have. You can see here, you need to select from the drop down, select the page that you want, and then choose choose the option between a single image or multi-image ad. Now we've all seen this in the newsfeed, the single image ad where you have your image here, you have your headline, your description, and your display URL, and then you have the like page and the like page that shows up. Now you do have the option again, you have your newsfeed, sorry, mobile newsfeed, featured phone, but what we're going to look at is the multi-ad set, multiple image. So here you basically add your text of what you want to grab someone's attention, and you have your destination URL. So this is the URL or the website location, the website address that you want to send people to for your first image if they click on your first image. Then you have your headline here. So say for example I had an image or a product I wanted to promote. I will have enter the product URL here, or enter a attention grabbing headline, within the guidelines, short, straight to the point, and then a brief description of what, again, it's optional, a brief description of what you're promoting. Basically, it says it right there. Then you add the images, and the image needs to be 600 by 600, and then you also have here your creative optimization, where you can see more URL. See more URL. So you enter in, they wanted to see more products. So in the previous video, I talked about, I did a video on the call to action buttons. Now, if say for example this was Dollar Shave Club, and they would send people to, for example, one of their options or one of their pages, and then you could display more URL here. So this is display more URL, so you can see it there. But basically, you choose the different 3 ads that you want to market to your audience, and it works the same way as when you want to promote stuff to your target audience. You identify your demographics and all that stuff, so that way you kind of focus exactly on the people that you want to see, that you want to see your ad. So again, it's pretty straightforward. So just like creating another ad, but then you add in 3 more images or 2 more images or products that you can promote, and it only works for, as stated in this video, for I think website conversions and click to websites. So you can only do this at the moment of this recording for those particular options. So when you go and you create an ad inside of your Power Editor, you have the option here to click on campaigns. So for example, you can click on campaigns, enter your new campaign there. So campaign, so I'm going to put test 2, and you have click to websites and website conversions. So you need to choose between these 2. I'm going to click website conversions, click OK, and then move on to the next, create an ad set. So you see the campaign has been created. You click on ad set, and then you click on create ad set. Again, you want to create a new ad set. You don't want to use the existing one. So test 2, and then you want to name that ad set test 2 ad set. Okay, I'm going to create that. And then you want to go to your ads. When you go to your ads, okay, you need to select the ad set, so excuse me. So you need to select this ad set. Make sure it's loaded. Oops, you want to click status. Select this ad set, and then you want to add a new ad set. So we just added a new one, so I'm just going to create that again. Just to, so just going to copy this, paste that here, and then paste that there. So once this is loaded, again, you need to pick your page. So you pick the page that you want. So if I wanted to put my 52 weeks challenge page, Then you select the multiple ad set, and as I stated before, you add your destination URL, your headline. The description is optional, but definitely you want to have a good image, and then you want to enter in the URL that you want to take people to. So again, this could be to a squeeze page, or depending on the product you have, it could be to different products that you want to promote just to test it out and generate some sales and see how it goes. So this is what I'm going to be doing for this weekend, just to start testing this out and see how it goes, seeing if I can generate some sales through the new multiple ad set Facebook feature in the Power Editor. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Take action. Don't forget, you have 3 ways, technically 4 if you include the see more display URL, which I recommend you always should, because you give you 4 options to promote your ad. And let's start testing it and see how it goes. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the video. Let me know what you think below, and time to take action. Take it easy.